And the story behind this is recently I had a son, and you, my friends, get a look at him. Because if I'm having a baby, you're going to get a look at him. So I'm going to press the M key to select the elliptical marquee tool and surround Max's head with the marquee. And what we're going to do is create a soft vignette where the baby's face fades out of view. And vignettes are ideally suited to babies, you'll see. They just look great around a baby. If you're going to make a baby announcement, which I haven't gotten around to doing, a vignette is perfect. So go ahead and surround whatever portion of this you like. And then choose the select command and choose feather. And instead of applying just this little 0.5 pixel feather radius, I'm going to apply a large value such as 12 pixels. This is a big softening going on here. So it's going to really blur this selection outline. Hit OK. Now you notice the marching ants don't look any different than they looked before. Sometimes the feather command will change the marching ants a little bit when there's a corner. It'll kind of smooth out that marching ant selection outline. But when there's no corners, it doesn't appear to do anything to the marching ants. But that's a little deceptive because it's really changed the nature of this selection outline. Go under the select menu and choose inverse, where you can press Command-Shift-I or Control-Shift-I to inverse the selection. Press Command-H or Control-H to hide the selection outline. And then press the Delete key or the Backspace key under Windows to fill it with white. And there we have it. Here's our beautiful vignette inside of Photoshop, accomplished in 3 seconds using the feather command. Now the problem with this image is, at this point you might want to crop it. You just turn a bunch of pixels white, and you're presumably going to want to take this and paste it into your baby announcement. Perhaps you'd like to create a baby announcement for me, because I haven't gotten around to doing it yet. And just email me, I'll tell you the specifics, and then you can get on it. But we've got all these white pixels in the background here. You might as well delete them. Might as well get them out of the picture. It'll save room on disk. It'll save space inside the image. However, how do you crop? How do you crop away these white pixels? How do you know which of these pixels are white and which are just sort of slightly off-white, just a little dark? The truth is you really don't. If you try to crop this manually using either the crop tool or the marquee tool with the image crop command, either way, you're going to probably hit an edge here. You're probably going to crop away pixels that you don't want to crop away, and then you're going to have a harsh edge when it's printed. Even if it doesn't look like a harsh edge now, it's going to look like a harsh edge when printed. Even if you post it on the web, different monitors respond to colors differently, and different people are going to be able to see, a pixel that looks very light to you on your screen is going to look darker on another screen, and they're going to see that edge. So why not leave it to Photoshop? This is a new command inside Photoshop 6, a very, very helpful command that you should know about. Choose the image command and choose trim to automatically trim away just the white pixels. Now, I can tell it what color to trim away in sort of a weird way. I can't say trim away the white pixels or trim away the black pixels. I have to say trim away the pixels that you find that are the same color as the one pixel in the top left corner of this image or in the bottom right corner of this image. Top left, bottom right, they're both white, so it doesn't matter. And trim away the top, bottom, left, right, yes, all four. Go ahead and trim them all away. This command is ideally suited to this image, in fact, to vignettes. And then just click OK. And suddenly it crops it down. Notice the right edge here. It's gotten rid of all white pixels, and right against this right edge will be some pixel that's a little darker than white. Same with the left edge, same with the top of the image up here, and same with the bottom down here. So, perfectly done, perfectly suited, perfect baby, wonderful kid. And there he's not crying, so he is really a special guy.